David Dutton, exam 2, responded to the prompt video response. My first topic is topic 1, the importance of bees to humans, plants, and agriculture. Discuss the threats of bees and other pollinators as well, and colony collapse disorder in bees. First off, bees' importance to humans runs pretty simple. Well, they produce honey for us through the plants that they pollinate. For the plants, their importance is that they help the plants reproduce. They spread the pollen from plant to plant, male to female plant. And in agriculture, about $19 billion is associated with the pollination of bees here in the United States. They're also responsible for 1/6 of pollination for all flowering plants and 400 agriculture-related crops. We also use them for food. Honey is their main source of food, but we also use beeswax in ointments and balms for men and women. And the honeycomb and honey is used for consumption. Most people don't realize that people will eat the honeycomb and not just the little bear with the bear bottle with the honey inside it. Threats to the bees and other pollinators, it's pretty simple. We're the main factor in it, either through destruction of habitat, pesticides, removing their home from their original site. Malnutrition is another one. Having a place to live but not having enough to support the colony of bees that are there. Going on to colony collapse disorder for bees, pretty much the same thing. Basically what colony collapse disorder in beehives is, a majority of the beehive leaves the queen, only leaving a small group to look after the young in the hive and the queen. And most of them all just die off and they're never seen again, or the hive doesn't even survive the winter, because it usually happens around the winter time. The main cause for this is that, well, it's mostly due to malnutrition. Not enough plants to make honey and support the hive and the constant growing of new bee drones. Pesticides is another, kills off all the plants that they would usually use for food, and then they got nothing left, causing the malnutrition problem and not having enough. Another thing is that we as humans attribute this. There's so many of us and we're getting rid of them left and right. So colonies have started abandoning their hives early rather than waiting.